Here, I will teach you how to operate this aerial work vehicle in this video. Firstly, come to the cab, start up the engine, trample the clutch pedal, and open the first extractor, and then release the clutch, so that the whole structure already has power. The next step is to stretch out the 4 hydraulic legs. Stretch out the horizontal direction leg first, and then extend the vertical leg. Please note that before you operate the arms, you should make the whole track stable. And now you can turn on the electronic system. We can use the remote controller to operate the truck. Turn on the controller and press the red button. When you hear D, it shows the controller and the truck already connected. This button controls the arm up and down. This button controls the arm retraction and extension. This button controls the arm rotation. The arm can be rotated 360 degrees continuously, and this button can control the working basket rotation, and the working basket also can be retracted 360 degrees continuously. If you press this button and this button together, you can control the working basket turn over. It's very easy, right? Just like the toy truck you play when you are kids. Please follow Linda. I will bring more special trucks for you guys.